Everybody keep well. I am Indrajit Paroi again in front of you in Paroi Academy. Now the time is just 8 p.m. Today we learn so many things about the Python programming. At first we learn simple 5-6 things which we need in the later session when we write down the program. Before go to the Python program, one thing is very important. We need to remember the things is that except Java and C++, Python doesn't use brackets to delimit code, but indentation is mandatory with Python. Here is some short program. At first we use print, then expression, then we use comma, then expression 2, then again comma, then expression 3. In this way the print function is going on. For example, we can say print Python within quotation. Python is easy. What things display it? It display Python is easy. Python is easy. Whether we write down it in IDLE mode or in notepad mode. Now the most important thing, variables in Python. Variables are memory reference. What are variables? Variables are memory reference. Point where we store values which can be accessed or changed later. The names given to the variable, they are basically known as identifier. The names given to the variable are known as identifiers. In Python, we do not need to specify or the type of variable because Python is a dynamically typed language and it identifies the variable type automatically. If we go to the example, we can write down there, suppose num is equal to 5, that means number is equal to 5 or maybe quantity is equal to 5, price is equal to suppose 40, then what is the total amount? The total is equal to, now we use round function. So we put price multiply by num, then comma, then 2, and print within the parenthesis, that means within the print function we call total variable. So it's a very easy program. We can write down in Python easily and also run it. Next topic is declaring and initializing a variable. How we declare or initialize a variable. Variables are declared and initialized at the same time by the giving way. What is the way? Suppose a is equal to 25, b is equal to 50, then print within parenthesis or second bracket within the print function, within the quotation a equals to, then comma, then a. B is equal to 50, then print within quotation b equals to, and then we call the b. What happened? It displays the value which loaded in the b. Our next program is same value to multiple variables. We can also assign the same value to multiple variables at the time. In which way? Suppose a is equal to b is equal to, it's put 30. If we put print within quotation equals to, comma, after quotation comma, then we call a. What happened? It display a is equal to 30. And again if we call b, it display b is equal to 30. We can assign multiple values. To multiple variables in the same line in the following way. Suppose print within quotation name is something Ram, within quotation Ram. Then we put his age and also his class. All the things must be either quotation, double quote or single quote. Now we print name variable. So what happened? Name is name variable, age is we call age variable. We print it by using print. We put class is, then after comma it use class. So here what happened? The class is display on the screen. Our last topic, today's last topic is now we are going to learn how we write down the Python program and also execute the Python program. Write down the Python program is very easy to us because there is no need to declare any class like Java, which we basically use in Java. And most advantageous thing in Python is that we can declare any variable anytime, anywhere else within the line as per our or user requirement. We also make simple calculation easily and also call the variable as per our requirement any times. Now let's go to the Python screen. To open Python, our first task is double left click or left click on Python icon which is situated at taskbar. We just double left click on Python icon, the Python window appear. The Python window then appear. Which window? Ideally window. Here we see basically 3 greater than symbol, 3 greater than symbol, which is known as a prompt. After the 3 greater than symbol, we see a blinking cursor where we typing anything. Here, at first we open Python, ideally mode. Here we see the command prompt which is here. And now we typing here simple a number like 5. First type 5, then we press enter, automatically it display 5, then 6, it automatically displays 6. After that we add two numbers 10 and 5. So we put 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. It display 15. As the same way 10 minus 5, 10 slash 5, 10 multiply symbol with 5. Every time it display the result automatically. After that now we put some numbers with the help of the variable, like here a is equal to 10, print a. So what happened? Here we declare a variable a and after that we put a value inside the variable a which is 10. After that we use print function. What do we do in the print function? Just we type print, then we type simple parenthesis, that means first bracket open, first bracket close, and within the first bracket, within the parenthesis, we call the variable a. That means which number situated or loaded in a, that number will be displayed on the screen. Same things happen in the computer screen. What happened? We write down print a and just 10 is display. That means 10 is appear on the screen. In the same way, b is equal to 20, b is equal to 20. Now if we print if we print b, then we at first call print function, then within the function we call b. Automatically it display the number which last stored in the b. What is the value of the b? After that we make some calculation like c is equal to a plus b, c is equal to a plus b. Then we call c. So we write down print C. What it display? It add two numbers which situated in variable A and variable B, and in this way it simultaneously displays variety types of result. And in case of A plus B, it display the number 30. It display the number 30. All of you look at the computer screen, you easily see it. After that, if we want to call any editor of Python, like here we open Notepad editor in Python. Here in the same way, in Notepad window, at first we write down print, print, first bracket begin, then hello, welcome to the world of Python. Welcome to the world of Python. When we press enter, it automatically display welcome, hello, welcome in the world of Python. After that, we declare a variable like a, and we put the value of a is 30. That means a is equal to 30. After that, we again declare another variable which is b. That means b is equal to 20. Here we put b is equal to 20. That means value of the b is 20. After that, we calculate d is equal to a, d is equal to a minus b, and c is equal to a plus b. And after that, we call the last two variables where we make addition and subtraction and also multiplication. And we just print a, that means it displays the result of the addition. Then it displays the result of the result of the d, and at the end it display E. And we also modified the display things in this way. Suppose we write down print first bracket within quotation first number, then first number is, then quotation close, then comma a. We call the value a. Again print, then second number is equals to b. In the same way, for want to display anything on the screen, again we type down sum of the two number 15, so it simultaneously display what things we want to display, then it display the actual result. And in this way we display all the two numbers, sum of the two numbers, and also the subtraction of the two numbers and multiplication of two numbers. After that, to execute the program, we just go to the run option, click on the run option and run the program. Then it asks to put some name. We put that name for saving the program file. And after that the program is run properly. That's today's program related topic. Tomorrow again we meet at 8 p.m. All of you must watch Python program carefully.